Alright, do you know what time is it? It is time to earn $5 every 30 seconds. That's what's up. Alright, so I'm gonna follow exactly whatever this video says, and hopefully it's true. Hopefully we will make $5 every 30 seconds. That's a lot of money, because in the grand scheme of things, we might be looking at a potential $400,000 in a month. Yo, that's what's up. Well, hopefully that's true. Hopefully whatever this person says is true. Alright, that's all I have to say. Enough talking, and let's do this!
This has to be one of the easiest ways to start to make money online, and I quite honestly wish I knew this earlier, because you don't actually need to sell any products, you don't need to have your own website, and you don't need any social media followers to start to make money online. Now, you would be paid anywhere from $5 to $15 every single time you do this, and I will show you how to actually set up a system that will allow you to kind of do this on an autopilot. So you see, if you go over to ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT for a list of 20, 30, 40, or 50 different best book niches, it's going to give you some ideas as to what you can target, and it's going to give you different niche ideas, which for me is very important, because you always want to stick only to one single niche, whatever it is that you're trying to do online. Now, I'm going to be honest from the start, this is obviously not going to make you rich, and this will not make you millions of dollars, but it's also one of the easiest ways to just start to make money online. Now, you can now go through these different niches that ChatGPT has suggested, and then you can ask ChatGPT to then give you top 10 best books in that particular niche. Now, I'm just going to go with the self-development niche in this case, and we're now getting just quite a few ideas.
Alright, so basically what Dave Nick was trying to say for the first part is that what we have to do right now is to actually go ahead and generate a summary, right? A summary of any form of books, any form of niche that you're trying to get into. It may be gaming, it may be, I don't know, fishing, building houses, I guess. Anything goes, right? But for his particular example, right, he actually went with self-development niche, particularly books, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and follow whatever he says. Okay, so for me personally, I've went ahead with Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. They're one of the bigger names in the entire financial space, right? So obviously this is one of his high best-selling books, right, of all time. So I'm gonna go ahead with this example. So over here, as you can see, under ChatGPT, I went ahead and entered a prompt about, asking ChatGPT to give me a quick summary. Not exactly quick, I made it like 3,000 words. Yeah, as shown from Dave Nick's video, right? He actually did a summary as well of around 3,000 words as well, but he wasn't exactly using ChatGPT. He was using another AI tool, I guess. There is this particular website. I believe it's called SEO writing.ai, but he mentioned that it's not exactly free. So, I mean, we're trying to earn money online, right? So we're not trying to spend money online. So ChatGPT is here to save the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and use ChatGPT to do the summary over here, which is what he has gave me.
You would go to canva.com and sign up for completely free, because this is a graphic design tool where you can create promo designs even as a complete beginner. So if I type in, for example, book promo over here, it's going to give me quite a few different templates and mockups that I can easily use. So let's say I'm going to go with this one over here, just click on customize this template. And now, obviously, most importantly, we actually need the book cover. So what I would do is I would just go to Google, search for Atomic Habits book cover, go to images, and then just download one of these. Then I would just change the color here, and I would try to adapt it to the actual color of the book. And then what I would say is free book. Now, I know what you may be thinking right now, like, how am I gonna give a free book and make money? Well, just stick with me. In a second, I will show you exactly how to actually do this.
Alright, so for the next step, according to Dave Nick, is to create a book promo under Canva, right? So I went ahead to use Canva, and I've created this particular picture over here. So it's not the best. I know it's not the best, but I think it works. I think it gets the point across. That's most important. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is the book cover that I've downloaded from Google Images. Just one of the random images. I just pasted over here, and then I did some changes, some minor changes. I changed the background picture over here to this money-looking background with a bunch of $100 notes, and I've changed the text over here to free book, as demonstrated from Dave Nick. So more or less is similar to his. Yeah, so that's it.
I can use it to make money. But how do I actually make money? Well, you see, there's this platform called Audible where you can actually listen to different audiobooks. And if we go to the search bar here and we search for this Atomic Habits book or for any other book that you found through ChatGPT or a simple Google search, you can find that book on here. So someone can actually get this book, they can listen to it. But you see, if you give them an affiliate link for Audible, they can actually get this book for completely free. So just go to Google search and search for Audible Creator Program, and that's going to show you that Audible affiliate program actually pays $5 when someone signs up for completely free through your link. And when they sign up for completely free, they can also get 2 books for free as well. Now in this case, I will be promoting Atomic Habits so people can get this book for free. They don't have to actually pay for anything. And I will get $5 each time someone signs up through my referral link for Audible.
Alright, so I went to check whatever he said over there, which is the Audible Creator Program over here, as you guys can see, under the Amazon Associates program over here. So he was mentioning that we will be getting $5 per sign up if anyone actually uses our affiliate link to sign up for the Audible account, right? So as you can see over here, Audible free trial digital membership, $5 right here. And he did mention that whoever signs up, right, will be able to get 2 free Audible books. So in this case, it will be the Rich Dad Poor Dad book. So let's see if it's true. Right here. Get 2 free audiobooks to start. That checks out. Alright. Audible free trial. Yep, yes sir. Okay. Seems pretty legit so far. Alright, so I'm gonna just carry on and become an affiliate over here first. And then hopefully I can get the affiliate link as well. So yeah.
And you see, if someone were to click on my affiliate link, they will be taken to Atomic Habits sales page on Amazon where they can start off for completely free. As you can see, they can sign up for free, and when they sign up for free, they get the book, but I get paid $5 plus an additional $10 if they actually end up paying for Audible afterwards. Also, creating Amazon affiliate links is pretty easy. You basically just go to that listing or go to that book, and then at the top right corner on the left side, you can just generate text short a link, and you can copy that with one press of a button, and if someone clicks on that link, they will be redirected to that exact same sales page where you earn $5 every single time someone signs up.
Alright, so I signed up for the affiliate program and I have successfully generated my affiliate link right here. Right, so this is my short link and there's a full link version apparently. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the short link, right? It makes more sense. It is more aesthetically pleasing. So hopefully it will increase the, CTR, click-through rate, blah blah blah. All this good stuff. Alright, so this is my free link. So if anyone clicks on it, I guess I'll be getting what, $5 I guess every 30 seconds. Right. So hopefully it works. Fingers crossed.
So again, if someone stumbles upon your summary, it's because they're interested in reading that book, or they're just going to read the summary and think like, okay, I actually want this book. Where should I get it? Well, now you're just giving them a link where they can get that book for completely free. So you are providing some value, you're solving a problem, and you're being paid $5 to $10 every single time someone clicks and signs up through your link and gets the book for free.
Alright, so the final step, the last step, it told us to go ahead to medium.com. Of course it's medium.com, right? I wonder if it's being sponsored by medium.com at this point of time. But anyway, what he mentioned is that this is the website, right? This is a platform that will apparently push our article out to everyone. Because apparently for medium.com, right, is that Google will actually advertise for us as well. Like whoever actually Googles, Rich Dad Poor Dad, this article, Google will actually push Medium's articles out to whichever keywords that the audience might search online at Google. I was actually googling something about how many words can ChatGPT actually give us for any form of summary or any form of answers that we're looking for. Because sometimes if you guys realize, right, for the most part, ChatGPT doesn't exactly gives us the answers in like full length for some reason. Like for example, it always cuts off at some point. Yeah, so for example, I'll give you an example, right? As you guys can see over here, when I was actually generating the summary of the Rich Dad Poor Dad, it actually stopped right here. And then all I have to say is that I have to actually ask them to continue. I literally just type continue as my prompt. Yeah, and then it finally continued. Yeah, so what I was trying to say is that Medium actually works in that sense. Like, it actually pushes your articles out. If anyone's actually searching for any answer on Google, I was googling right about that question, and then Medium actually gave an answer for it. Someone actually wrote an article for that question that I have. So it's good. That's a good sign. Medium is pretty legit. Yeah, for that sense. But would there be any form of conversion? I don't know. I don't know. But I guess I'll find out. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, this is my summary, and this is the image that I've created over here, free book, and this is the link for the Amazon page for the Rich Dad Poor Dad. Right, as you guys can see, this is my link, my affiliate link over here. If I give it a click, yep, right here. So upon clicking the link from medium.com, this is where the reader will be redirected to this particular link for the Amazon Audible. And right here, as you guys can see, continue for free. Enjoy a free trial on us, $0. That's right, that's right. So if anyone actually carries on to purchase or sign up with the free trial, we will be getting $5. Right, so over here, I basically just copy and paste whatever ChatGPT said earlier on over here. So this is just basically a summary of the entire book. Yeah, so every here and there I included a link, just to remind the person, the reader, that hey, if you are interested in buying this book, you want to read the full version, you can always do so at here at Amazon with my link. So yeah, that's about it. That's what Dave Nick actually mentioned about his entire video. And what we have to do next is to publish this article. Alright, as you guys can see, I've published my article right here, as you guys can see over here. So all we have to do now is to wait, and fingers crossed, we get conversions, right? We get conversions from the Amazon link, the affiliate link. And then, another thing is that Dave Nick did mention that at the end of this video, where we can actually promote our article, right? It's through Facebook groups, such as like Make Money Online groups, or for example, Rich Dad Poor Dad groups. I'm not too sure if there are Facebook groups that are related to Rich Dad Poor Dad, but he did mention that groups like that, you can actually promote your article, your Medium article. Either you promote your Medium article or your Amazon affiliate link. Yeah, I think both is better. It makes more sense to do both. Yeah, so that's one of the other ways to actually push your affiliate link further. I hope this will work. I mean, if I'm able to get at least just one conversion, right, that'll be great. Yeah, just $5. Just $5. That's all I asked for. I'm not even asking for $5 for every 30 seconds. No, not really. Just one. Alright, so if I do make a sale, or if I do get a sign up, I'll be sure to let you guys know. I'll be sure to make a video, put a pinned comment, I'll definitely give you guys some form of update about this particular method. Alright, so yeah, that's all there is to it, and subscribe if you like this type of content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!